Oh my goodness, what's going on everybody? This is 13 and it is a late night, of course. When isn't it a late night when I'm finishing up a build? This is a 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 and oh my goodness, it's the first Dodge Ram that I've finally done after all of this time. So this is a really cute fun story. Daryl, which I did a job for his Nissan Rogue a little while ago. I did an MH1 retrofit into that thing. Really liked the way that it came out and he goes, you know what dude, I really want my dad to be able to see it at night. Now nothing fancy, I want it to look as OEM as possible. So that is what I did here. This is an MD2S full-size 3-inch projector with the Gatling Gun 2.0 shroud. No fancy things whatsoever. It is just a basic retrofit, but oh my, can he actually see at night now. So there's no amber modification changes, no LED bulbs, nothing fun. However, I will say we do have the Morimoto XBLED fog light assemblies down there, which is a very nice touch because those are quite nice and I like them a lot and they are way better than these poopers. So like I said, it was my first time doing a Ram, so that in and of itself was exciting to me. They're fairly easy to open, however, removing the permaseal is actually a big pain in the butt, so that was the majority of the time spent on that. Other than that, the fog lights are a simple replacement and the retrofit was rather straightforward. Now that they are properly aimed and aligned, the output is amazing. It's a massive upgrade over this stock system, so I believe his father is going to be extremely happy, and I do love repeat business, and I do love being able to help out the family members of the people that have already supported me in the past. So this is all wins all around. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. That is going to be a local price for the record. I don't really know if I'm going to be doing a lot of these shipped because honestly I know that there's a lot of Ram specialists out there, which is why I kind of figure this is why it's pretty much like the only truck I hadn't done yet to date. However, of course, if you are interested in a custom build, that is what I do, so feel free to contact me via the video description. I am still closed for the remainder of 2021, so I am not taking on new business, but you can begin the process by sending me an email. All existing clientele obviously have priorities, so Daryl kind of got to cut in line, so I have to apologize to those who have been waiting patiently for my services. Don't worry, this was really only about a 2-day build overall, and so not a huge delay. I will of course turn them on for your viewing enjoyment, although you aren't going to be able to see anything from this camera. I am running the 50-watt setup on 6,000 Kelvin bulbs, so it's going to end up being a pure white. We're running the CAN bus standalone harness rather than an actual relay harness, and so far so good. I'm pretty pleased. Okay, now that's seriously all I have to say on this one. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have yourself a wonderful night. I look forward to delivering this very shortly. See ya!